designer, our first priority is to design not only attractive but as well authentic car. The aerodynamic design of the front and roof section give the car an elegance but as well very high quality look.
从各个角度全面审视，这非常关键。
The focus on aerodynamic helped us to not just reach attractive design, but as well the reduction of all the parts. We got clean up everything from the car to just make something very clean, very attractive and very stunning. Even details as the door handles are fully integrated in the body.
有些时候少即是多。
The entire design is free of unnecessary decorative elements. The model is unmistakable a member of the ID family. It's stylish, with flowing lines and pure aerodynamic, with character and of course elegance.
What a sleek, cool-looking car. Ladies and gentlemen, the id.aero is a show car. However, it gives a pretty accurate preview of Volkswagen's first global all-electric sedan to come. Being almost 5 meters long, it belongs to the high-volume mid-size sedan segment, which saw China sales of over 2.5 million in 2021, or 12.1% of the total market. I think it's fair to say that mid-size sedans are a crowd pleaser, and the id.aero will further electrify this segment with its progressive, stylish, aerodynamic design that doesn't compromise on roominess. Coupled with the MEB, which provides long range, dynamic driving behavior, new levels of digital networking, and over-the-air update capability, the id.aero will be Volkswagen's flagship ID model.